Top of the top, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is, man. It's hump day. It's hump motherfucking day, man. Y'all motherfuckers gotta stop being so angry, man. What motherfuckers be so mad about? Like, you wake up on the wrong side of the bed every fucking day. Shit be wild to me. You know it take more muscles in your face to frown than to smile. Nigga, smile, nigga. Smile. You ain't smoking your good greens. Better take heed, but smoke them good greens, drink them good greens, and drink your motherfucking water. See y'all later.